What is up, everyone? Clever Money is back with another video about online money making opportunities. Guys, we are not here to waste time. As you can see, this video is just about one thing: getting some free cryptocurrencies quickly with no investment and no effort. So, I will show you how to accomplish it step by step. But first, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification feature so you don't miss any of our content. So let's get started. This one is called Coinbase, and you've probably heard of it. Coinbase is a cryptocurrency trading and investment website that lets users buy, sell, and exchange over 100 different cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. Coinbase is a major firm with over 73 million users and a market capitalization of $255 billion. For simple buy and sell orders, beginners may likely prefer the original Coinbase site. Coinbase Pro, which is available to all Coinbase users, gives sophisticated users access to extra tools and order types. Coinbase currently supports over 100 cryptocurrencies and adds new ones on a regular basis. There are far too many to name here. So, here's a quick rundown of some of Coinbase's most popular cryptocurrencies. We have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, and Polkadot. As previously stated, the company operates two platforms: Coinbase and Coinbase Pro. Each one allows you to purchase, sell, and exchange cryptocurrencies, but they also have their own set of features. Anyone with minimal computer abilities can trade on Coinbase because it is user friendly. Coinbase can be accessed over the web or through mobile devices running Android and iOS. You will have a similar experience if you have ever traded stocks through an online brokerage. Cryptocurrency markets are open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you can log in and make a deal whenever you want. Purchases can be made with monies in your account or with a linked bank account or credit card. Depending on how you pay for your cryptocurrency, you may be charged additional costs. Purchases are immediately added to your account, but you may need to wait for your deposit to clear before withdrawing. To keep customer deposits and assets safe, Coinbase employs industry-leading security procedures. However, when utilizing cryptocurrencies, there are always certain hazards. Therefore, it is critical to follow online best practices to keep your account information safe. Notably, 98% of customer assets are held in cold storage in a global network of safe deposit boxes, backed up by digital and paper backups. Its website is protected by bank level encryption and security. All accounts must also use two-factor authentication, which helps prevent anyone from accessing your account unless they have physical access to your phone. So, in order to make an account on Coinbase, I need you guys to go to their website. And if you already have an account, you will be able to see your balance on the home screen. But if this is your first time using Coinbase, you will need to create an account. There is a quick KYC that you must do, which I believe is a normal protocol in this type of thing. If you wish to buy cryptocurrencies using your fiat currency, you must first complete a KYC or know your customer process. It's very straightforward and it's just quick and simple. So you will need to be at least 18 years old, and you can't lie about your age because they will ask for verification as well as identification with your age or birth date displayed. You will also need a government-issued photo ID, a computer or smartphone with internet access, and a phone number since you will receive a text message with a 7-digit code that you will have to key in later. By the way, if you want to use their Coinbase app, make sure your phone's operating system is up to date. Otherwise, you won't be able to install the latest version on your device. So once you have double checked that you have everything you require, you may begin the process of creating an account. It's just similar to creating any other form of online account in that it's really simple. You will need an email address, which you should make sure is active because Coinbase will send you a verification link through email, and later, when you've typed in your phone number, they'll send codes to your phone as well. You will also have to fill out some personal information, verify your identification, and choose a payment method. Everything is straightforward and simple once you are inside the website, app, or whatever platform you're using to access Coinbase. As I previously stated, you will see your portfolio balance on there. So if you want to come in and buy something, you can. So as you can see, you can learn about the graph. You will find that it will discuss a little bit about each of these projects before asking you to take a quiz. So once you have completed the test, you will be able to begin earning. The second one is called Strike, and it is actually even easier, folks. Strike is a Bitcoin Lightning Network app that allows you to make super easy payments. Strike's API is used by marketplaces to enable payments between buyers and merchants, as well as fans and producers. Strike's API allows merchants to receive payments from clients all around the world. You can also send and receive rapid and secure borderless payments with no additional costs right from your fingertips. So, it is a wallet that leverages the Bitcoin Lightning Network, but it can also be used with the traditional Bitcoin network. So everything is built in there, and it is a pretty cool platform that looks a lot like Venmo. So on the homepage, you can view your balance, as well as all of your transactions. And then you may deposit and link a payment method. So Strike currently has zero deposit costs, so if you want to buy Bitcoin with your debit card or bank account, you can do so with no fees, unlike Coinbase, which charges a flat 2.49% for each transaction. The great part about Strike is that you will receive a free $5 in your wallet. All you have to do is complete a KYC process, which you should expect to do whenever you use a controlled exchange, and this one is no exception. So guys, that is it, and I am going to keep looking for easy ways that you can do at the comfort of your home so you can monetize your time online. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. That is it for today, and I'll see you in the next one.